Hello guys, in my last two videos, we have discussed the first two colligative properties. In this video, we will be discussing the third colligative properties, that is depression in freezing point. Before knowing what is the depression in freezing point, we need to understand that what is a freezing point. So let's see, according to definition, freezing point of a substance may be defined as a temperature at which vapor pressure of a liquid is in equilibrium with vapor pressure of a solid. So let's understand. Basically, we know that the solid has a low vapor pressure. So we have to decrease the vapor pressure of a liquid so that the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes zero or becomes equal to the vapor pressure of a solid. So that point of temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to the vapor pressure of a solid is known as what? Freezing point. So freezing point is nothing but it is a point of temperature when in which liquid gets converted into a solid. Liquid gets converted into a solid. So that point of temperature is known as what? Freezing point. For example, we know that a liquid is in water that is in liquid state at ordinary temperature. So when we cool it at the 0 degree Celsius, it becomes ice which is in solid state. So the freezing point of a water is 0 degree Celsius. So now we are able to understand the depression in freezing point. So now let's see the definition of a freezing point depression. So it is the difference. It is the difference between freezing point of pure solvent and freezing point of solution. Okay, so delta TF becomes TF0 not minus TF. So in this you should be very much careful and you should understand that why I have written the freezing point of a pure solvent first and freezing point of a solution afterward. So let's understand with an example. We know that the freezing point of a pure solvent is always greater than the freezing point of a solution. If we add a solid into a pure solvent, then the freezing point of a solution decreases. Okay, so freezing point of a pure solvent, that is TF naught, will be always greater than what? TF, that is freezing point of a solution. So therefore TF naught is written first and TF is written afterward. Okay, so we have understood what is the depression in freezing point. Thank you. In the next lecture we will be discussing osmotic pressure. Thank you.